Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest videos. So guys, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet dog sweater ideas, beautiful designing, beautiful ideas, most demanding crochet collection. Very nice. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful pattern, beautiful designing. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful designing. All the patterns are very beautiful and easy. And viewers, if you know crochet work, so you can also make by yourself at your home without any trouble. If you don't know crochet work, so you can buy this crocheting work from any shopping mart. If you want to buy online, so please visit some websites like AliExpress, Amazon, ever.com, etsy.com, right in the box, carebus.com and super.com. Very nice. Beautiful ideas. Hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.